Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today we are going to make the face unlock test. We are going to check if this faster recognition in the face recognition settings really works. It's right here. We are going to make the 5 tries for both tries, and we are going to check, we are going to count time with stopwatch. So let's start with normal recognition. The first unlock I will make to check if I'm sitting in a good position, and as you can see, yes, I am. So let's lock device and then just start 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one. So we are around 10 seconds and 52. So it's 10.5 seconds, right? So right now let's go for the face recognition, turn on this faster recognition, and just check it out what will be right now, how it will be works if it is really faster. So 10.5 seconds. So let's reset and then let's make the first try. Okay, so let's go 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I just misclick them, but as you can see, we are still ahead almost 2 seconds, but I think it was 8 seconds or even the 7 and something like that. So almost we can say that even that we are almost the 3 seconds ahead with the faster recognition, and it really works, as you can see. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See ya in the next video.